Yes.
So, what are the things? Amal Krishna, can you tell what are the things I told on previous day? What are the things I told you on the previous day? Unmute and tell me. Unmute and tell me what are the things. Still many should come. Amal Krishna, unmute and tell me. Don't get afraid. You don't get afraid. Okay? You tell and mute it.
Ma'am, before class I was not there.
Not there. Okay. Then who was there? Romal was there. Romal Soni was there. Now you mute your audio. Very good. He learned how to mute the audio. Okay, Romal?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me. 4C is admitting here. 5C. Okay. Tell me fast. I need the answer because we should, all are waiting for your answer. Okay? Okay, Jelini is laughing. She is very happy to say that Sachin. Okay, Cheryl Mary. Okay, okay, all of you still, many are coming. Many are joining. Why they got up late, I think. Okay, so.
Ma'am.
Yes.
We learned about angles.
Yes, very good. We learned about, you learned about angles.
Angles.
Very good. Very good. Ramal told, very nice answer.
Angle.
You learned about the angle. Okay.
Angle.
So, what is meant by angle?
Angle. Ma'am.
So, what is meant by an angle, Sachin? What is meant by, here also. What is meant by an angle, Sachin? Okay, very good. Fast.
Ma'am.
Yes. Tell me, Sachin, tell me. Right or wrong? No problem. You tell me. 4C is waiting there. No need to admit. Okay, tell me.
Ma'am. No, ma'am.
No. Okay, we learned about angles and what are the, I gave you homework, but many of them not submitted to me. You don't know my phone number? You don't know my phone number? Okay. Today I will send the phone number. You can send. Today I will give the homework. Then I will send through WhatsApp. So what is meant by an angle and how will you define an angle? How will you define an angle and what is meant by arms of the angles and what is meant by vertex of the angles. Okay, these are the things you learned in the previous class. So now we can start how to measure an angle. How, Ritin Biju on your video, Tejas Krishna on your video. So many are sitting without video. Please on their video. Again in between. Now I can see you. Tejas Krishna on your video. Otherwise I cannot see you. You cannot see me. So what we were doing means what is meant by vertex of an angle, what is meant by arms of the angle and how to name the angle and these are the things you learned in the previous class. Okay. Now how to measure an angle, that is the topic we should do today. How to measure an angle. Okay. Very important thing. You should learn it properly. Otherwise, you cannot use in further studies. Anubama, now I can see you. Okay. So, now what are the things now we should measure the angle and you should, what you should do now? Now I will write this one on the board. You can see the board.
Ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Board will be visible. You can see the board.
Yes,
afterwards, I will start writing. Till that time,
okay,
which instrument you will use to measure an angle? Can you see which board now?
Yes, tractor.
Which board? Which color board you can see now?
Gray.
Green color board you can see?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Gray.
So how to measure? What is the instrument used to measure an
Protractor.
angle? Which instrument is used to measure an angle? Protractor. Which instrument is used to measure an angle? Protractor. Protractor is an instrument used to measure an angle. You can see the protractor on the board. Okay, can you see it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Protractor is the instrument used to measure an angle. Okay. Which instrument is used to measure an angle? Protractor. The unit of angle. What is the unit of angle? Unit of angle is. What is the unit of angle? The unit of angle is protract. The unit of angle is degree. Which angle is used? Degrees.
Degree.
Which angle you are using to?
Degree.
Use the measure the angle? Degrees. Which instrument you are using? Instrument you are using? Protractor. Using protractor, you can measure the angles. How to measure the angles? How to measure the angles? I will tell you how to measure an angle. Okay. So this is the instrument you are using to measure an angle. If you want to measure an angle, you can use protractor. Understood? Which instrument you use to measure an angle?
Protractor.
You can use protractor to measure an angle. You can see the protractor here. Can you see the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Now, you can see here, there are, you see your protractor. Take your protractor from your geometry box.
Okay, ma'am.
All of you take your protractor from your geometry box. I told you to bring and keep geometry box with you.
Yes, ma'am.
You brought it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
You brought it? Okay.
Yes.
Okay, now show me the protractor to me. All of you show me your protractor. Okay. If you see the protractor, you can see.
Ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Very, very good. Very, very good. Yeah, very good. So
you can
you
hear
can
me?
see two measurements in your protractor. Two are there. Okay. One from starting from here, 1 0 is there. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 like that. It will be coming. Have you seen that?
Yes, yes.
0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50,
16,
17,
17,
from
18,
right
100.
to left. From right to left. You can see the. Have you seen that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, 0 is there, 10 is there, 20, 30, 40, two scales like this from right to left.
Left.
Okay, now one more is there. It is starting from 180 here. Here starting from where?
180.
180. Next one is 170, 160, 140, like that it will be continued.
130, 120,
Okay, no need of repeating now. Don't give mass answers because others will not understand. Okay, if I am asking the question only, you can say me. Now, how many scales are there? Two are there. First one is starting from 0 to 180. One is there. Okay,
Mute your
this is
audios.
inside the scale.
Mute your audios. Don't answer altogether.
Don't
Mute
answer.
your
Okay.
audios. Good morning.
So, mute your mic and tell me. All of you mute your mic. Okay, very good. So, it is starting from 0 to 180. 0 to 180, it is called the inner scale. What is it called? Inner scale. I get students are not students. Okay. So this is called the inner scale. 0 to 180. What is it called? It is called the inner scale. Now, if you are starting from 182, then it is called the outer scale. What is it called? Outer scale. There are two scales. It is there inside measured 0 to 180 and 180 to 0. You understood? Which instrument you are using? Protractor is used. Names, sir. Names.
Protractor.
Protractor. So, protractor is used to measure the instruments.
Measure what?
Bilsa,
Measure.
is there? Bilsa is there?
Yes.
Yes. Tell me the answer. Which instrument you are using to measure the angle? Which instrument you are using? Protractor. Very good. Now, mute your audio. Next one, Rosemary Siju is there? No. Rudra Krishna? Unmute your audio and tell me which instrument you are using. What is the unit of? Now, mute. Okay. Next, Rudra is there? Rudra? No. Okay. So, it is measured using which degrees. And if you want, what you are going to draw now? To measure an angle. So, one is starting from 0 to 180. Other one is starting from 180 to 0. You understood this many things? This much you understood? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
After that, you can start measuring these down letters. 0 is there, 10 is there, 20, 30 are there. So, if you draw one line first. You have to draw one line. Okay. Now, you can see the picture here.
Mandalata.
Yes. First, you should draw one line, straight line. Draw one straight line. Okay. Then next you have to draw one arrow mark here. Why you are marking arrow? I told you. Why you are marking arrow? I told you. Sachin Suni. Sachin Suni. Can you tell me?
Yes, ma'am.
Why you are marking arrow there?
Ma'am, for the side.
There is no end point. There is no
End point.
That is why you are marking what? An arrow mark there. Understood now?
Okay.
Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
Yes. Now after draw one line, no measurement. No need of taking any measurement. All of you have drawn the line?
Yes.
Yes. Now take your protractor.
Okay,
now
ma'am.
you can take your protractor. Okay. You can take your protractor. In that, this is the instrument you are using. This point is called vertex or called the vertex of this one, and here it at the middle of this protractor there is one point. What is it called? What is it called? It is called the vertex. What is it called? Vertex. After that, if you want to measure the angle, you can mark from 0, 10, 20, 30. You can draw one line like this. Keep the protractor 0, 10, 20, 30. Okay. You can mark there. You are seeing 0, 10, 20, 30. If you want to measure, mark an angle 30, you can measure like this.
How?
Keep the protractor, take the protractor here, keep the vertex here, okay? After keeping the vertex, you see here measurement. Which side the line is there, right side or left side? Which side the line is there? Your right side line is there.
Also left.
First step, what you will draw it? First one? First step, what you will do?
We draw a straight line.
Draw a straight line. Okay, very good. Draw one straight line like this. Any measurement? No need of taking any measurement. Mark one arrow. You can mark it as A and
Okay, ma'am.
B. Okay?
Yes. Okay, ma'am.
Drawn all of you? Show me the paper now, all of you. Show me your paper. Okay, very good. And whenever you are drawing, you have to draw with the scale and pencil. Okay, no need of drawing with the pen. That is very important. Which one? You have to draw with the, all of you, no need of measuring. Only one straight line you can draw it. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, two scales I told you. One is called inner scale. 0, 10, 20. What is it called? Right to left. Ambrose, tell me what is it called? Ambrose, Anthony. What is it called? 0, 10. Inner scale. What is it called?
Inner scale.
Inner scale. Understood? So, inner scale and outer scale. Two scales are there. Okay. Which are the two scales?
Inner
Inner scale and outer scale. Okay. Very good answer, Ambrose. Now you mute it yourself. Now, Rudra Krishna join now. Can you tell me? She joined now only. Next. After that, this protractor is there. Which measurement starting next? Here measurement is starting. What is the next measurement? Amna? Amna? This is called
Yes,
inner
ma'am.
scale, I told you.
Yes, ma'am.
Next. One more is there. Starting from where?
Right to left.
From left.
0.
You are right to left. That
Left.
is 180, 170, 160, 140. It is starting here. It is reaching 0. That one understood, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
How many scales are there? Inner scale and
Inner scale and outer scale.
inner scale and outer scale is there. Inner scale starting from where? 0 to 180 degree. That one understood?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
And outer scale starting from 180 to 0. From starting from here. 180 to 0. Whenever you are drawing an angle, you want to draw an angle of 30 degree.
0 to 180.
Okay. What you are going to draw it now? Angle of 30 degree. First you draw any line, not given any measurement. All of you are drawn? Yes or no?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Now what is the end point of this line? What is the end point of this line? Anupama,
Ma'am.
what is the name of this end point?
Ray.
A. Very
B.
good. It is called A. What is the here end point?
B.
B. You have to measure which degrees if you want to denote it. You have to write at the top. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
30 degree. But if you are don't write here, it will become wrong. 30 degree you have to write at the top.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Very good. Next, you have to take the, what is the name of this line now? What is the name of this line? What is the name of this line?
Ray.
A, B.
Angle.
A is here, B is here. So what is the name of this line? Listen.
A, B.
A, B is the name of this line.
A, B.
Okay? Now,
Okay, ma'am.
draw the line. How will you draw the line? By taking the scale.
A,
You are
B,
understanding
A.
now?
Yes.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Now, next step, you have to take the protractor. Take the protractor with you. Here, there is one point is there. Here you can see one vertex. Okay? And this point, you have to keep at the point, you have to bring your protractor, you keep here. Keep at which point you will keep? At the point A. Okay? You have to keep at the point, which point you will keep? At the point A.
A.
And then you have to measure the angle. From which side you will measure here? 0, 10, 20, 30. Which side? Where is the line starting? Right side or left side? Where is the line? Right side. So, where you will start counting? From down, not from up. Okay? 0, 10, 20, 30. Have you seen? Have you seen?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
what's the first step? Cheryl Mary? First step.
Yes, ma'am. The first step
First step what?
we have to draw a line.
Yes, very good. You have to draw the line. Now you mute your audio. Afterwards, second step. What is the second step?
Write A, B.
Write name. What name you will give? Name you can give with a pen, no problem. But if you want to draw it, you have to draw with a pencil. Then write the name as AB. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Afterwards, you take your protractor. Protractor, you have to take it. Okay? If you want, very good. Now, you can, where is the center of this protractor? Where is the center of this protractor? Yes. Center of, yes. There is one line you can see. This is called the center of the
And this line.
protractor. Okay? Now, if you want to measure from right to left, 30 degrees is a small angle. Okay? 30 degrees is a small angle.
Small ankle.
If you want to draw it from 30 degree, from which side you will count? 0 to
Right.
30. 0 is inner scale because you are measuring from here.
Okay, ma'am.
Not 180, don't start it. You have to start from 0, 10, 20, 30.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, did you understand?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now, shall I remove the protractor here? Mark it there. 30 degree, you can mark it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay? Now you can draw one line at which point? At the point 30 degree. At which point you will mark it?
Yes. Yes.
At the point 30 degree, you have to mark one line.
ഇത് വേറെ ക്ലാസ്
എന്റെ ക്ലാസ്
Let them draw the angle.
Okay. Next
their
one,
paper.
keep the protractor there. You can measure it 30 degree. Okay? 0, 10, 20, 30. Now understood how to draw it? Keep the protractor and you can draw the 30 degree. Okay? So that is how the way how to measure an angle. Still some more examples I will give you. You can draw it. Okay? Shall I tell some more examples?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Some more examples I will write it on the board.
Yes.
Second one you can mark it as 60 degree. Which board, color board you can see here? White board or green board?
Gray.
Color board.
White board.
Gray.
Okay, 60 degree. Where you will mark? Here at the top. You can mark it as 60 degree. Can you draw it now? Can you draw it?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
First step, you draw the line. Draw one line like this. $60 degree.
Let them write the steps. Nirmala,
Yes, sir.
make
I should
them
write
write
the
the
steps. Okay.
steps. Then it will be clearer.
Dark.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Regine, have you written the steps, Regine? Have you
First
written the
step.
steps?
Draw the line.
Write the steps. First, draw a line. Name it AB. Then take the protractor. Okay, so write the step. Write the steps.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Unmute your audio. Abel, are you
Draw a
doing?
line AB.
Abel Austin, are you doing? I don't see you drawing. Abel, can you hear me? Abel, can you hear?
Keep the protractor at which point? At A. Keep the protractor at A. Which scale you will see? Inner scale or outer scale?
Outer scale.
No. Inner scale you have to use it because you are measuring from, draw the line like this. First, 0 to 60. It will come as AB. Okay? 60 degree. Draw a line AB. Keep the protractor at A.
Yeah.
Anupama, have you finished?
Yes.
Anupama, have you done?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Show the
Okay.
paper. Have
I
you
will send the
written the
notes.
steps? Have you
Yes.
written the steps
Yes, sir.
also? Okay, okay. Okay, put down the paper.
Thank you, sir.
Now, can you see me now? Okay.
Yes.
So, first step, you should. Oh, very good. All of them have drawn. Okay, 60 degree.
Ma'am.
So, how many angles you have drawn? 2 angles you have drawn. Okay. So that first angle is called 30 degree. Second, which scale you are using from right to left? Which
Left.
one it is? Inner
Right.
scale. What is it called? Inner
Ma'am,
scale.
inner
Okay.
scale. Ma'am.
Yes. No.
Yeah.
Okay. So 60 degree. How many angles you have drawn? 2 angles. You have drawn
Angles.
2
Two
angles. You have drawn.
angles.
First angle.
2 angles.
Not two angle, 2 angles.
2 angles you have drawn. First one is 30 degree. Second one is 60 degree. Okay. So today I will send the notes. Those who are still tomorrow we can continue remaining angles. Okay. 120, 100, how to mark it. Tomorrow I will give us homework.
Okay, ma'am.
40 degree. Tomorrow's homework. Very good. But you have to use the scale. Then 40 degree. Tomorrow's homework, why you have to send me? Most of them last time they did not send.
ma'am.
Okay. My phone
Okay,
number
ma'am.
you are knowing? My phone number you are knowing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
you can
Ma'am.
send through WhatsApp number 40 degree. How will you draw it? Notes, remaining notes. So 3 definitions only I told. Which are the 3 definitions? Abel Austin. Which are the 3 definitions I told you? Abel Austin, unmute and tell me. Fast.
Inner line, outer scale,
Okay, very good. Which instrument you are using to measure?
protractor,
Protractor.
Okay. Then, Tejas Krishna. What is the unit of angle? What is the unit of angle? What is the unit of angle? Tejas Krishna? Okay. So you complete the notes. Yesterday's notes, all of you completed?
Yes,
Yesterday's
ma'am.
notes. Okay, very
Yes,
good.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So you can
Yes, ma'am.
write, and tomorrow's homework what? 40 degree.
40
You have to
degree.
draw 40 degree
40
and
degree.
show to me, send through WhatsApp. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Very good. Have a nice day, all of you.